Hello children and welcome back to mathematics class for class 8. In the previous introductory class we have already learned about the different formulae for different figures. So today we'll be starting with the exercise 11.1. It is on page number 171. We will try to solve as many as possible, but mostly we'll be dealing with the different types of questions, okay? So let's look at the first question. Question 1. A square and a rectangle field with measurements as given in the figure. The figure is already given in the textbook. Have the same perimeter. Which field has a larger area? Now they have the same perimeter. The figure given is this, and one is a square, one is a rectangle. So the question is given in this manner: A, B. Now they are asking which field has a larger area, this or this. Okay, so the first step is we will write down side of a square is equal to side of a square is equal to 60 meter, and length of a rectangle. So it is already given here. L is equal to 80 meter. Now the question states that they have the same perimeter. So perimeter of square is equal to perimeter of rectangle. So we will write like this. Perimeter, first we will write the perimeter of rectangle is equal to perimeter of square. So this is a condition already given in the question. Okay, the question is it's already given. It is given as a square and a rectangle field with measurements as given in the figure have the same perimeter. So that is exactly what we are writing. So the formula for perimeter of rectangle is twice of L plus B, and perimeter of square is 4S. So twice into length is 80, breadth we do not know, 4 into one side of square is 60 means all the sides are 60. So we will write this as 2 into 80 is 160 plus 2 into B is 2B, 4 into 6 is 240, and 2B is equal to 240 minus 160. Here 160 plus 2B. So when I take 160 on this side, this plus will become minus, okay? So 240 minus 160. So B is equal to, when you subtract, you will get 80 by 2. So 2 into 1, 2 into 4, 0. Therefore, you are getting B is equal to 40. That means the breadth for this is 40 meter. All right. So this is what we have already found. This is equal to 40 meter. Now, the next part of the question is to compare whether this area or this area is bigger. Which area is bigger, right? So to do that, we will find the area for each of them separately. Area of square is equal to side square. Side square or S square. So here it is 60 square 60 into 60. 6 is 36. 2 zeros, so 0 meter square. All right. And area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So L into B. Length is 80. Breadth we have found out as 40. So 8 into 4 is 32. 2 zeros, 0 meter square. Please do not get confused. For area, always square will come. Now, to measure, to compare this and this, which is bigger? The area of square is bigger than. Therefore, area of square is larger. See, 3600 and area of rectangle is 3200. So obviously area of square is bigger than area of rectangle, even if they have the same perimeter. Okay. In the next question we have Mrs. Kaushik has a square plot with the measurement as shown in the figure. We will draw that later. She wants to construct a house in the middle of the plot. A garden is developed around the house. Find the total cost of developing a garden around the house at the rate of rupees 55 per meter square. Now, this is the plot and this is the house that she wants to build. She has. Let's say this is the house. It's already given, and this is given as 25 meter. This is given as 15 meter. This is given as 20 meter. This 25 meter. And this part is garden. All this part. Right? So, the first step for us will be to write down the given. Now, this plot is 25, 25. That means it is a square. So, side of square plot is equal to 25 meters. Okay. All the sides are equal to 25 meter. So, therefore, first we will find the area. Area of square plot is equal to 25 square. So, 25 into 25. When we multiply this, we will get 625 meter square. Right? So, the area for this whole plot is 625 meter square. And length of house. The length of house L is given as 20 meter and breadth of house. So breadth is B is given as 15 meter. So therefore area of house. Now we have found the area of the whole plot. We will find the area of this house. So it is length into breadth is equal to 20 into 15. Okay. So when you multiply this, you should get you are getting 300 meter square. So the area for this house is 300 meter square. Now we will find area of garden. Now finding area of garden, area of the square plot is 625 minus area of house will give you the area of this garden. Okay, so we are getting 325 meter square. So this is the first part of the question. The second part, they are asking us Find the total cost of developing a garden around the house at the rate of rupees 55 per meter square. So we have got area of garden as 325. So we will write therefore cost of developing the garden at rupees 55 per square meter is rupees 55 into the area of this portion is 325. So when you multiply this, you will get rupees 17,875. So this is the total cost of making a garden around inside the square plot. Okay. The shape of a garden is rectangular in the middle and semicircular at the ends as shown in the diagram. So this is your figure, rectangular in the middle and semicircle. See, semicircle at the ends. So they have given us the whole length is 20 meter, right? And the whole length breadth is 7 meter. Now find the area and perimeter of this garden. We have to first find the perimeter and then find the area. Also find the area, okay? So they have given us a hint, but we'll come to that later. So total length is given as 20 meter. And then if you look at this 7, we can say that this is the diameter. Same thing, right? So we can also write diameter of semicircle is equal to 7 meter. So if the diameter is 7, then its radius will be 7 by 2, right? Or we can also write it as 3.5. When you divide, you get 3.5. Now we will start with length of rectangular field. So the length of rectangular field, they have given us a hint in the question. 20 minus 3.5 plus 3.5. This is the hint that they have given us. So when you add these two, you get 7. You're getting 13 meter. So length of from here to here is 13 meter. Also, breadth. Just by looking at this, we know that it is 7 meter. Therefore, area of rectangular field is equal to length into breadth. So here we have 13 into 7. When you multiply this, you get 91 meter square. Okay. So this is for the rectangle. The area for this rectangle is 91 meter square. So let's look at the second part. We have to find the area for the two semicircles. Now, area of the two semicircles is equal to 2 into half into pi r square. Area of circle is pi r square, but we have only half, so half, okay? Half pi r square. For one area, one semicircle, it will be half pi r square. For the other also, it will be half pi r square. So when you have two semicircles, we will multiply 2 into half pi r square. Okay, children? So let's solve this. We have 2 into 1 by 2 into 22 by 7 r square. This r square will be 3.5 into 3.5. We have already found this in the first part of the question. So I'm cancelling this out. Okay, let's make it simpler. When you solve all this, you're going to get 38.5 meter square. Now, we have area of this rectangle and area of the two semicircles. Therefore, area of the whole garden. So we will write, therefore, area of garden is equal to 91 plus 38.5. When you add this, you get 129.5 meter square. Now, we find perimeter. So, perimeter of two semicircles is equal to 2 pi r. This can be written as 2 into 22 by 7 into 3.5. When you solve this, you get the answer as 22. 22 and perimeter of garden is equal to 22 plus 13 plus 13. So we have 48 meter. And with this, we will come to the end of our this session. This is question number 3. We will continue with the rest of the questions in the next videos. So I'll see you very soon. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.